Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Slack Workspace for design approvals, detailed guide step by step clearly. To log into your Slack Workspace for design approvals, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Slack Workspace URL provided by your team. If you don't know the URL, you can also visit slack.com and click on Sign In. Once you're at the login page, enter your email address. After entering your email, click on the Continue button. Check your inbox for a confirmation email from Slack. Open the email and click on the login link provided. This will redirect you back to the Slack interface. If prompted, enter your password and click on Sign In. In case you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset. Once logged in, you'll see a sidebar displaying your channels and direct messages. Navigate to the relevant channel for design approvals. To review uploads, look for the files shared in the channel. Click on the design file you wish to approve or comment on. You can leave feedback by typing in the message box below the file. To react to the design, hover over the message and click on the emoji icon. Select an emoji to express your feedback or approval. Ensure to check for any updates regularly for further design discussions. This process will help streamline the design approval workflow effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.